Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to log out in YouTube. YouTube is a very popular video content platform by Google, accessible on desktop and mobile devices. You can search and watch videos on YouTube without an account. But having a personal account is highly beneficial to have a customized experience, commenting on videos and uploading your own. As it is a Google service, you can easily log in with your Google account to enjoy all the benefits YouTube offers. Remember that you should always log out of your YouTube account if you are using a shared device to protect your privacy. If you are a content manager and upload videos on YouTube for other companies, using a different account is a good idea. Here is how to sign out of YouTube. You can sign out in both ways. The first way is via desktop. Visit YouTube's website and start signing out from there. You can try the second way via your mobile device. You can use YouTube's mobile for signing out as well. You can also log out from YouTube by using the YouTube app. Steps to log out on an Android device. First, open YouTube app. Then tap on your profile image in the top right corner or in the bottom. Tap Switch Accounts and Manage Accounts. Now, select the account you want to remove from your device. Then, tap Remove Accounts. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.